Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll do the Wi-Fi download speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Realme X7 Max 2. As you can see, friends, so this is the iQOO 7 smartphone and is a Realme X7 Max, and I'm gonna download the game, which is a Dragon Raja C game, which has got 1.9 GB size. As you can see, friends, 1.9 GB size. So this is going to be really very interesting test, friends, between both phones. So let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster. That is what I'm going to see. And during this time, I did try to use the on the top notification internet speed meter, as you can see in both phones, so that will give you the clear idea about the speed, how much we can expect in both phones. As you can see on the top, you will be able to see the real-time speed meter as well, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me try to show you, friends. The same Wi-Fi network are connected during this time of testing, as you can see, which is a Wi-Fi test option which is present here. I need to open the Wi-Fi settings as well and show you exactly. Let me try to show you the settings as well, what kind of transmit link speed I'm trying to get here. And the transmit link speed is of 1201 Mbps, and in this iQOO 7 device it's detecting only 960 Mbps, as you can see here in the iQOO 7 device, connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. Same Wi-Fi network are connected. Let me try to go back and I'll try to use the speed test application as well to test the speeds. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of speeds. That is what I'm trying to do right now. Let me try to select the same kind of server. Same server I'm selecting right now. So let's try to do the speed test. Let's see which phone will be able to pick up the much higher speeds. And my speeds are, it will be close to 90 Mbps of speeds. My phone will be able to receive the 90 Mbps of high speeds. But right now, at this moment, as you can see, friends, clearly, the Realme X7 Max is taking a lot of data than the iQOO 7 device. But let's see, we should not come into the conclusion even right now, friends, because you need to wait till end of the video. So the download is going to be really interesting speed test between both phones. That will give you the clear idea what is happening. So at same time I'm trying to do the test, these are the results. As you can see, in the same time test, both phones scored in this way and Realme X7 Max is a winner. But let me try to do the test one by one. So let's start doing in the iQOO 7 device. Let's try to do once. So as I said, my internet speed will be around 93 and 94 Mbps. So as you can see right now, it's reaching up to 90 Mbps. The iQOO 7 did reach. So when you're trying to access at same time both phones, the internet speed will be divided. But only thing is that which phone will take much of the internet. That is what my point of making this video. So to test this kind of theory, I need to download some high game. That is the reason I did select the Dragon Raja game, which a lot of users, they ask me to do review on the Dragon Raja game using in the iQOO 7 device and using in the Realme X7 Max as well. I'll try to review it very soon, friends. And right now you can see, if you observe, the Realme X7 Max is trying to take so much of internet speed, close to 91 Mbps before I did see, but right now it did about 85 Mbps, and upload speeds are close to 90. So let's see what will be the overall download speeds we can actually expect in between both phones. So right now, this is the quick test results. As you can see, friends, in this test the iQOO 7 is slightly the best. So now let's see, downloading the same game in both phones, what will be the results will be interesting. So let me try to start at same time, friends. So sorry for that, let me try to click now. I'm trying to click now and click OK. Yes, I started at same time in both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to download. And both phones started at same time. As you can clearly see, friends, both are going on with the same kind of percentage. Right now, the iQOO 7 is slightly the winner because it's getting, I think, close to 3% right now. And both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network only during this time of testing. And I'll be able to show you exactly the speed meters on the top. I'm getting 2 Mbps and 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps on the Realme X7 Max. So this will be the really good comparison, friends. You should know which phone will be able to grab much of the Wi-Fi network in case if you have this kind of multiple phones connected to the same Wi-Fi router. As you can see, 7 Mbps and 6 Mbps. It's kind of, the speeds are kind of changing from one phone to other phone. But let's see the percentage, which phone will be able to download this game faster, the winner. That is what I'm going to test. So that is the reason I thought of selecting the big game, not 100 MB, not 50 MB, not 200 MB, directly 2 GB. I thought of just downloading. So even this will be really useful for me as well to test the game performance in the Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. That is a video which I'll be trying to do very soon. So stay tuned for that video, friends. In case if you are interested, you can find really amazing result. So right now during this time, as you can see clearly, friends, the percentage is slightly higher on the Realme X7 Max than the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly observe in this spot, 27% versus 18%. Both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Same Wi-Fi network are connected. So there's nothing at all. So same Wi-Fi network are connected, but still the Realme X7 Max is taking much of the Wi-Fi. That is the one thing to notice, as you can see clearly. So in case if you are interested in this kind of testing, I can even do with the Mi11X as well. So in case if you want me to do, I can try to include the OnePlus Nord and the Mi11X device. So make sure to comment below whether you want me to include those phones or not. So right now the download speeds are much higher in the Realme X7 Max. It's getting close to 37%. And let me try to show you the download speeds on the top of the notification bar. Maybe you might be able to see the difference. So let me try to slightly move back. And now, as you can see, I'm getting 4.9 Mbps, and the Realme X1 Max is reaching up to 6.8 Mbps, 8 Mbps as well right now. It did reach 8 download speeds. I'm trying to focus on this top. iQOO sound, as you can see friends, it's only around 4 Mbps, 5, 6. So right now the Realme X1 Max is trying to take much of the Wi-Fi network. Yes, I did not see much lower than anytime lower than the 5, I think so. During this time of testing, I did not see anything lower than 5 in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is the Realme X1 Max, as you can see friends. So this is a Wi-Fi download speed test connecting to the same Wi-Fi network at same time. So this will be the result. At same time if you try to download. So 57% the lead is in the Realme X1 Max only. And definitely friends, if you have the iQOO 7 device, you don't need to worry at all, because in your home with your Wi-Fi network, you won't be downloading all the phones at same time. So you'll be having the iQOO 7 device, so you'll be getting high speeds. That should not be any problem. But if multiple users connect to the same Wi-Fi network and if they try to use, so now we'll get to know which phone takes much of the Wi-Fi. That is a main purpose of me doing this kind of video testing. So right now it went under 3 Mbps, as you can see, 3.8 just now, 4. 6.9, and in the iQOO 7 5.61, 5.8.7, that's good, 8.7, 7, and 2 Mbps just now decrease in the Realme X1 Max. It came to 2 Mbps, and the percentage gap is decreasing between both phones. You can see clearly 62% versus 71%, 63, 71. So I do feel like this commentary is kind of cricket type of commentary whenever I try to do this kind of speed test results. So as you can see friends, right now 66 versus 76%. So let's see friends, which phone will be able to finish the download first. That's a really good thing. And during this time of testing, I did not connect any other devices to this Wi-Fi network. Yes, so everything, all the Wi-Fi network completely turned off in other smartphones as well, what I'm having right now. I just want to only these two phones connected to that, and then try checking this kind of downloading method. So right now is of close to 7 Mbps and 3 Mbps, as you can see friends clearly. 83%, 84%, 80% in the iQOO 7 device. Finally we are getting close. As you can see clearly, the speed started to decrease in the Realme X1 Max at the end. I am not sure why, but you can see clearly 83 and 87, 3% difference, as you can clearly see friends. So 85 and 88%, 86, 89. Overall the gap is trying to decrease between both phones. It's going to be really interesting. Last 9%, 89 and 92. As you can see the speeds and everything friends, as you can see here clearly, and the time right now it's of 5 minutes. It took, as you can clearly see, 5 minutes to download the 2 GB of file. So 93 and 95, 94, 95, that's going to be really interesting friends. Let's see 95, 96, 95, 96, 96 and 96, as you can see 97, 97 and 97, both are kind of same to each other. 98 and 98, as you can see friends clearly. So let's see 99, the iQOO 7 did download exactly 5 minutes and 37 seconds and 39 seconds in the Realme X1 Max, and first came in the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see friends. So first we did see slightly faster, slightly, but not much difference you can expect friends, just little bit. So the iQOO 7 did win this kind of race. So initially we did feel the Realme X1 Max is kind of winning the race, but later on the iQOO 7 did pick up that kind of speed and it did download. So this is the test which I started to do at same time. If you try to do the download the test in one phone at once, then that test will be completely different friends. That phone will be able to download with full potential without any kind of issues. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to check the links in description for more updates and feedback. And if you want to enjoy the tips and tricks, so make sure to watch the video which I uploaded recently on the iQOO 7 tips and tricks. I will be planning to do same kind of tips and tricks even on the Realme X1 Max as well. So stay tuned for those videos, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.